Welcome to the world of PapaVince extra virgin olive oil. Today we are super happy because my mom is gonna share her squash soup. Che facciamo oggi, mami?
Facciamo una soppa semplice
It's a simple soup
con squash,
with squash,
cipolla,
onions, garlic,
olio di olive, PapaVince e sale.
e sale. Mommy, this looks delicious.
Bellissimo.
Molto delizioso. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of red pepper to taste, just to give it a little bit of, taste. Then we're gonna put a little bit of pepper. And it's all to taste, whatever you wanna put. Then we're gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to give it a little bit of taste. Oh my gosh. Wow, mommy, this is a very healthy dish that you can eat and it's just filling. Vero, mommy?
Deliziosa.
Molto buono.
Molto deliziosa.
Wow, it's really delicious, mommy. Wow.
Wow.